do you suppose that came from?
Lose something?
Well, not that I very well know of.
Oh, that's quite all right. One moment, please. Oh. Second course. 'Twas brillig and the slithy toes did the gyre and gimble in the wabe.
Why, you're a cat.
A Cheshire Cat, doll, mimsy, o'er the bordeaux.
Oh, no, wait! Don't go, please!
Very well. Now, third course.
Oh, no, thank you, but I really hoped you wouldn't mind telling me which way I ought to go.
Well, that depends on where you want to get to.
Well, it really doesn't matter, as long as I...
Well then, it really doesn't matter which way you go. La 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 la, and the mom ras out a great. Oh, by the way, if you really like to know, he went that way.
Who did?
The White Rabbit.
He did?
Did what?
Went that way.
Who did?
The White Rabbit.
What rabbit?
But didn't you just say... Oh, dear.
Can you stand on your head?
Oh.
However, if I were looking for a white rabbit, I'd ask the Mad Hatter.
The Mad Hatter? Oh, no.
Or there is the March Hare in that direction.
Good. Then I should really ask him instead.
Of course, he's mad too.
But I don't want to go among mad people.
Oh, but you can't help that. Most everyone is mad here. You may have noticed that I'm not all there myself. And the mom rise out a grave.
Goodness. I better watch out if I don't really need to upset mad people.
And the mom rise out the grave.
Oh, Cheshire Cat, it's you!
Whom did you expect? The White Rabbit, perchance?
Oh, no. I'm through with rabbits. I want to go home. But I can't find my way.
Well, naturally, that's because you have no way. All the ways here you see are the Queen's ways.
But I never met any queen.
You haven't? You haven't? Oh, but you must. She'll be mad about you. Simply mad. The mom rise out the grave.
No, please. How can I find her?
Well, some would go this way. Some would go that way. But as for myself, naturally, I prefer the short cut.
Oh!